Introduction to Trading Strategies. Trading strategies are essential for making informed trading decisions. Let's explore the different types. Identify market trends and trade in their direction. Ride the wave of success. Trade within a specific price range. Find opportunities in market stability. Trade against the trend, anticipating a reversal. Be ahead of the game. Trade based on market momentum. Ride the wave of fast-moving prices. Make short-term trades, lasting seconds or minutes. Quick and precise. Make trades held for the trading day. Seize daily opportunities. Make trades held for days to weeks. Capture medium-term market movements. Make trades held for months to years. Play the long game. Choose a strategy that suits your trading style and risk tolerance. Start simple, learn, and grow. Happy trading!